Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to today's fun drawing tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to draw cool things from numbers. We are going to start with the number 1 through number 9 and turn them into easy drawing. Let's get started. First up, number 1. Draw a straight line for the number 1 and guess what? We can turn it into a cute little candle. Add a flame on top and some strips and on the candle. Isn't that fun? Next we have number 2. With a little twist we can make it into a duck head. Just add a beak, an eye and a little wing. There you go, a simple duck. Now let's move on to the number 3. This one is perfect for drawing a butterfly. Add wings on each side of the number. Then draw antenna on the top. A pretty butterfly from just a number. For number 4, we will turn it into a fun sailboat. Draw a triangle for the sailboat and a line for the mast. Then add some waves at the bottom. We are ready to sail away. With the number 5, we can easily create a snail. Just draw a spiral inside the number and add a small head with antenna and you have got a friendly line snail. Next up, number 6, we will turn it into the whale. Add a tail on the bottom, a smiley face and a water spout on top. Now we have got a happy whale. Now for number 7, with a little 7 creativity, we can turn this into umbrella. Draw the umbrella top across the number 7 and a handle underneath. You will all set for a rainy day. With number 8, it's time to draw a cute teddy bear. Use the two circles at the top at the 8 for the body and the head, and then add arms, legs and cute little face. Our teddy is ready for a hug. Finally we have a number 9. Let's turn it into balloon. Draw a starting from the bottom of the 9 and color it into any bright color you like, and there you have it. We have just turned number 1 through 9 into fun and easy drawing. Keep practicing and you will soon be able to draw anything from numbers. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy drawing tutorials.